So, good morning everyone. We are going to be summarizing chapter 1B. Okay, what makes an Olympic champion?
How does a person become an Olympic champion? Someone capable of winning the gold. In reality, a combination of biological, environmental, and psychological factors, as well as training and practice, all go into making a super athlete. Here you can see biological factors, psychological factors, and environmental factors. Everyone, what is biology?
I don't know.
You don't know? It's your DNA, your genetics. Do you know psychology? Yes? Okay, what is psychology?
Brain.
Good. What about environment? What is environment?
Your home.
Good, your home. You're the place where you live. And here, psychological factors. These are factors that relate to the mind, such as your feelings and your emotions.
And perhaps the most important factor of all is involved in becoming an elite athlete is genetics. And genetics is your DNA. It's these biological traits that are passed down through your genes. Most Olympic competitors are equipped with certain physical characteristics that differentiate them or make them different from the average person. Take an elite athlete's muscles, for an example. Michael Phelps is much more equipped to be a swimmer than the average person. In most human skeletal muscles, or the things that make you move, there are fast twitch fibers and slow twitch fibers. So those are the cells in your muscles that help you move. Fast twitch fibers, or cells that make quick, sudden movements, help us move quickly. Olympic weightlifters, for example, have a large number of fast twitch muscles in their body, much more than the average person. These allow them to lift hundreds of kilos from the ground and over their head in seconds. Surprisingly, a large muscular body is not the main requirement to do well in this sport. It is more important to have a large number of fast twitch muscles, not a large body.
Okay, everyone, we are on line, that's right, 27. Let's read the first sentence, okay? The legs of an elite marathon runner, just like these and just like these. An elite marathon runner is the best kind of marathon runner. So elite means the most powerful runner. So the legs of the elite marathon runner, on the other hand, might contain up to 90% slow twitch muscle fibers. So Aaron talked about fast twitch, which is good for weightlifters to lift heavy things really fast. But slow twitch is marathon runners. So think of slow, they have to run a long time. So slow twitch muscle fibers are good for long distance running. So these generate energy efficiently and enable an athlete to control fatigue and keep moving for a longer period of time. So these slow twitch muscle fibers generate. So generate is a verb. It means to make. So it makes more energy and stops fatigue. What is fatigue?
tired.
Yeah, exactly. Fatigue is tiredness. So it's the same word as being tired. So marathon runners get less tired. So next sentence, when we exercise long or hard, it's common to experience tiredness, muscle pain, and difficulty breathing. So I know this from experience. When I exercise, I look like this, okay? So these three things, tiredness, muscle pain, difficulty breathing, this is the result of a chemical in our muscles. So these feelings are caused when the muscles produce high amounts of lactate and can't remove it quick enough. So this means that when we exercise, our muscles produce this chemical called lactate. So lactic acid, lactate. And our body can't remove the lactate. So we get tired and muscle aches. So the next sentence is athletes with many slow twitch muscle fibers seem to be able to clear, to get rid of. So clear means remove. So they can remove the lactate from their muscles faster than I can. Okay? So thus, the average runner might start to feel discomfort halfway through a race, just like me. A trained Olympic athlete, however, might not feel pain until much later in the competition. So this entire paragraph is about slow twitch muscle fibers, how long distance runners have these slow twitch muscle fibers, and it helps them not feel tired or have difficulty running long distances. Okay?